Publishing an ebook on a website involves several steps, from creating the ebook to making it available for download or reading online. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Create your ebook. Write the content. Draft your ebook using a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Format the ebook. Ensure consistent formatting, headings, fonts, spacing. Convert it to an ebook format like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. Design a cover. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create an appealing cover. 2. Choose a platform. Self-hosted website. If you have a website, you can upload the ebook files directly to it. E-commerce platforms. Use platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, or Sells to sell the ebook. Third-party services. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, or KDP or Smashwords allow you to publish and distribute your ebook. 3. Prepare your website. Create a landing page. Design a dedicated page on your website with details about the ebook, including a summary, author bio, and cover image. Add a download or purchase button. Integrate a button or link for users to download the ebook or purchase it via an e-commerce platform. Set up payment processing. If selling directly from your site, integrate payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or WooCommerce. Alright, so now it's time to actually upload the ebook. First, you'll want to upload the ebook file, whether it's a PDF, EPUB, or any other format, to your website's server. Alternatively, you can use a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once that's done, make sure to link to the ebook file on your landing page. This way, users can easily download it. And there you go. Your ebook is now ready for the world to see. Optimize for SEO. Include relevant keywords in the page title, meta description, and content to improve search engine ranking. Optimize images like your cover by compressing them and adding alt text. Promote your ebook. Share the ebook on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Send a newsletter to your email list announcing the ebook. Write a blog post discussing the ebook's topic and include a call to action to download or buy the ebook. Monitor and update. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor traffic and downloads or sales. Encourage readers to leave reviews or feedback and make improvements based on their input. If you make revisions, update the ebook file and notify your audience. By following these steps, you can successfully publish your ebook on a website and reach a broader audience. Make the background music inspiring.